Hi, my name is Dustin, and I'm showing you something exciting from Matterport. So let's jump right in and take a look. We're looking at a TV screen on the wall of a Matterport space. Yep, that's it. That's me right there using my webcam. From the front door, let's go ahead and go into the living room and take a look at some staged furniture. So we have some different options here for different couches, different chairs, different coffee tables, and that's what you see here on the right-hand side. One of the things that we're really excited to show you is there's this green light coming from the kitchen. Let's take a look and see what it is. We can also have, well, we'll show that to you on the next one, the Click Me on the fireplace. But this is something really cool we want to show you, which is the video camera integration. So we have an animated video camera here showing the field of view in this kitchen. Just some of the exciting things coming to you from Matterport and from reality capture experts. We'll show you some more of these cool features on our next broadcast. Thanks.